Welcome, in front of me I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I will show you all camera modes and features that you can find here. So let's open this camera, and at the first let's check what we got in the modes. So there's the auto mode, so auto photo mode, portrait mode, the wide lens, and also we get here in the more modes portrait. It was set up on the base modes. There's the panorama mode, air emoji, super macro, manual, filter, time-lapse, light trace, and high resolution picture. We can also go for the more and enter for the settings. And in the settings we can change the picture size, video quality, we can activate electronic image stabilization, we can change volume button function, activate grid lines, change the location of the storage, and we can also add location tags to the photos, enable or disable shutter sound, and for sure we can reset all of the settings that we have on the camera. We get also HDR, we can change aspect ratio, we got timer, and for sure we can also record videos. So that's how it looks. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.